Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller from M&M 2025 in Salt Lake City, Utah, and I'm here with Martin from Ellcie, a new German company that I've never heard of. And Martin, can you please tell us what it is that you have here at your booth this year?
So we are coming here to this show not very often. Last time we were here 10 years ago.
Whoa!
But everything is different now. And different companies, different ideas, and we brought a brand new idea, the world's largest scanning electron microscope.
I like the sound of that. So how big is this microscope?
So big is, let's say, the samples. The samples as a crucial point in this question, and samples can be up to 1 cubic meter. 1 cubic meter is a giant. It's a giant.
That's huge.
And up to 300 kilograms or 500 pounds in weight.
Wow, that's unreal. I mean, most SEMs can handle maybe 500 grams.
My critics, they are saying he's just doing this to compensate his last name. My last name is Klein, means small. But in reality, no, that's not the reason.
So who would really benefit from a gigantic, monstrous SEM like this?
We have three main focus areas. One is everything which is flying, like rockets, airplanes, turbines. We are analyzing turbine blades. We are analyzing rocket booster parts without cutting them into small pieces. They can bring the entire sample and we can analyze it as it is.
I see. So what kind of column, what kind of optics are you have? Is this a tungsten? Is this a Schottky source?
We are just using the normal tungsten source from Zeiss. It's a Zeiss Evo column inside, and we have a Bruker EDS EBSD system inside. So both are normal parts. It's like a conventional SEM with the extra benefit that you can analyze large parts without destroying them.
So are you selling these just in Europe or here in the US also?
We have two customers here in the US. One is Tinker Air Force Base in Oklahoma. The other one is Western Kentucky University in Bowling Green. Both are happy customers with our large microscopes.
Wow. So what do they look at with those microscopes in those two places? What sort of samples are they doing?
In Tinker, they are especially looking at turbine blades, any aircraft parts from the engine, from landing gears, all parts which normally has to be cut into small pieces to analyze them. And in the case with this large microscope, they're able to analyze them without losing the technical information and without losing the economical value.
Is your instrument the same size as the inflatable one you have in your booth right now?
So I have to tell you, to bring the real one, the real world's largest microscope, is very expensive, very heavy. Yes. So what we did, we just made an inflatable mock-up. It looks like a little bouncy castle. Yeah. and when there are some kids around, they are all laughing and pointing in my direction, saying, "Hey, this guy here is bouncy."
So, but it's about that same size?
Yes. Or? It's a real size.
Oh,
it's
wow.
Real size of a real microscope with all real, the impression is the same.
Yeah, okay. So if people want to get a hold of you, learn more about your microscopes, where do they find you?
They find me in the internet, of course. Everywhere can be found in the internet. So, and the company name is ellcie.com, ELLCIE.com. Abbreviation comes from large chamber.
Okay. Well, thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, we got more coming up from M&M 2025. Stick around.